So I just got back from my not weekly, I'm doing twice a week, but my second non-stress test this week. And while I was there, I actually talked to my doctor. I wasn't supposed to see him, but I did let him know that I wanted to do the go ahead with the scheduled C-section because honestly, me and my man were going back and forth about it, like the pros and cons, and really, with my body not being quite ready for labor right now, like I'm not dilated or anything. I just feel like it'll be really stressful. It'll be really stressful to be in labor. Rocky, shush. I need to let my dog out. And with my blood pressure issues, I just don't want to make it worse. And I don't want to make it worse for the baby either. Because I could go through all of that laboring and then end up having an emergency C-section anyways. So I just figured I will go ahead with the scheduled C-section. I asked a bunch of other moms in like the mommy groups I'm in, and a lot of them did say, you know, like when it was scheduled, the recovery was a lot better. So I'm going to trust my heart with this one and go with a scheduled C-section. So that being said, he did go ahead and schedule a date for me, which is April 10th, which is actually next Saturday. So like a week and a day away. And I'm glad I waited, because I was actually gonna like talk to the camera before I went in, because I was just feeling really like depressed. Yesterday I had a really bad migraine, and I'm just like kind of over just being pregnant in general. I feel sick all the time, and now this just put me in a better mood, like knowing I have a date of when he's gonna be here. What?
You put my drink on there.
I'm using his drink as a
Holder.
tripod. Can you wait till I'm done?
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
I can still drink it.
Okay. So I also started my maternity, or well, my short-term disability leave. My maternity leave won't start until I actually give birth to him, but so that's actually been really a lot of stress off of me, not having to work. I did work from home, but just not having to like wake up and get on there and stuff. It's been nice just taking it easy. I've been on bed rest. So I started my leave. This was my first week. I'm just taking it easy, y'all. Like, I'm really excited now knowing I have a date. I get to meet this little boy and not be pregnant anymore. I am worried a little bit about, because I don't do well with like anesthesia and meds and stuff. Like, I don't even like taking pain meds after, because I rather just like, they make me feel sick and gross. I always get like nauseous. I always get like all the side effects. I get them. So I'm not somebody who like loves being on pain meds, because I hate it. It makes me sick. But just pray everything goes well. And yeah, we get to meet this little man in a week. So excited. In my last video, I didn't shout out anyone because I keep forgetting. But this video, I'm going to shout out a special someone, and that is my baby daddy, my man. He comments on my videos too, but he has been so like great throughout these last like just this last little while with me stressing over like my blood pressure and stuff. Like, he's been working a full day. I don't do anything here all day, and he comes home and makes dinner. He takes care of the kids. Like, he's just been really on his dad shit. So yeah, it's been really nice having his support and having him here to basically take those burdens off of me. And it makes me feel like really bad, because I'm so used to taking care of him and the kids, like as far as like just housework and stuff. So I feel really bad because he's working a full day, and then he's coming home and he's working all around the house. But he's a good person. So I'm so grateful that I have him, and he lets me just complain and cry and tells me it's gonna be okay. We're almost there. So yeah, it almost makes me emotional to talking about it, because it makes a huge difference when you have that person to really have your back. And oh my gosh, let me let the dog out. He's crying. Well, I was gonna record myself putting that together, but that took way too much effort than I was expecting. So let me show you. Here is the swing all set up. It is powered. You can do like batteries, but that weighs too much battery for me. So there's like the music setting, Sounds like they have some like little sounds. The timer. I don't know what that is, but I guess like the intensity that it rocks. Yeah, because that's going. Yeah, I'm glad I had this put together so I can just put him down in and stuff when we get home. And that's pretty much it. No, that's not pretty much it. We still have 2 car seats that we gotta open for the cars and the stroller. So I'm gonna get to that this week. I got 4 more days until my scheduled C-section, so that's what I'm doing on my time off now. Yeah, I'm trying to utilize my time good before little Bean gets here, little butter bean. I do have an appointment to get my lashes done today, because I just want to look okay, you know, I just want to look kind of decent when I'm in the hospital, because look at me. I know I'm not going to have time for makeup or any of that. So I just kind of want to look nice, and eyelashes will kind of help with that. I went to my stress test and my checkup yesterday, my weekly one, and my doctor checked my cervix. Told me that I was a centimeter dilated, and he was like, oh, you know, we could possibly induce you to have vaginal birth. And I'm just like, dude, like, I obviously when I first got pregnant, I was like, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna have a VBAC again, like I did with Aziz, but it's a little different this time. I've had a little bit of issues. Also, I'm getting induced, so with Aziz, he just came on his own. So there's a lot of different factors. So I was just like, let's just stick with the scheduled C-section, even though I know it's gonna suck recovering from that, but I already got like a belly band and everything. And yeah, I don't know if I should do a video on like what I packed in my hospital bag. Probably should. But I'm just tired lately, and you know, I have a lot of other things going on besides the baby coming. Like, you know, we have other kids. There's a lot of other stuff going on in our life that I don't put on these videos, so it's just finding the time for stuff. All right. Last week of being pregnant. Here we go. Here's the belly. Stretch marks and all. But let's be real, that's how a pregnant belly looks. Well, some people don't get stretch marks, but I certainly do. So, there she goes. Whew. Last week of being pregnant, my stomach hurts. It hurts bad right now. I don't know if it looks big in this or not, but it's big, y'all. It's big. Whew, my stomach is stretched to the max. Okay, my lashes are on. What do you think? I just got like a classic set, which is just like, I don't know, more natural looking, which I'm okay with, because like this I can handle. I didn't want them too thick and like heavy, because I have big eyes, and when I get the thicker ones, I just look like freaking a cartoon character. But yeah, I like them, but the only thing is it sucks getting them done, because it's so uncomfortable. Mostly just because I'm pregnant right now, but like you have to lay on your back, and you're not supposed to lay flat on your back, and so I kind of was a little bit most of the time, and my hip is like killing me now. The only way that I can sleep or lay down is in a recliner. Like, I have to be like sitting like this to not be in pain, so my hip kind of hurts. Pain is beauty. All right, I got all the bottles that I have and binkies, and I'm going to wash them and get them ready. I also have this cute little bottle brushes, bottle brush scrubber thingies. They're like cactuses. So there's like the bigger one, the little one, for the, you know, just all the different sizes. So I thought this was cute. I put it on my registry, and I got it at my shower, so I'm gonna use that too to wash the bottles. bottles are all clean and binkies, so I'm gonna let those dry. Then I'll put them away. So that's done. So what I have left is I need to take this out of the box, put it together, you know, make sure it's all whatever, and then put it away. I need to take those out of the box, the car seats, and that one has a stroller with it. Don't mind my dirty laundry room, I'm sorry. And that's pretty much it. I've got some Pampers or diapers stacked up. These are all just what I've gotten from family and from the baby shower. So yeah, we're gonna get some shelves in here and make it more put together, but you know, one thing at a time. So that's all I have left to be ready for this baby. So I'm pretty much gonna end this vlog because we've got like 3 more days till the scheduled C-section, and I'm going to try my best to film as much as we can with that, since I'll be basically paralyzed. So I told my man, I'm like, you're going to have to try and get like videos and like pictures and all of that. So we're going to try our best to vlog that. And yeah, let's just end this video because we're almost there. We're almost there. I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.